Brevo, which was formerly known as Sendinblue, is known for its robust email marketing and automation tools that help businesses streamline their digital marketing efforts. Now, Brevo is pretty great and it has lots of features, but its pricing and complexity might not be perfect for everyone, especially people that are just starting out. So in this video, I'm going to go over 5 alternative digital marketing tools to Brevo, where each of them have unique strengths that you can evaluate for your specific needs, and I've included the links to all of them in the description below so you can check them out. So let's start with number 5, which is Aweber. Aweber has been a key player in the email marketing space since 1998, and it's known for its user friendliness and effective automation tools. Now, it's particularly popular among small businesses and entrepreneurs who are just starting out their online business or just putting themselves online for the first time. So what are some pros and cons of Aweber? So first of all, Aweber is celebrated for its ease of use and excellent customer support. So for example, if you actually go down here and you click Contact Us, you can see that with Aweber, you can actually talk to a real human being 24/7 if you need customer support. You can call them, you can actually do a live chat, and you can always email them as well. So they get back to you as soon as possible. There's always a real person that can help you out and not like AI or a chatbot. Now let's talk about the Trustpilot reviews of Aweber. So as you can see, Aweber has 103 reviews, is a verified company, and it has an average of a 2.6 rating. But what about its pricing plan? So let's take a look at that. So Aweber actually gives you a free plan that you can start with, and there's no time limit, so it's not like only for 30 days or something. You can just stay on this plan forever, and there's no credit card required, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to cancel or anything and then getting billed every month. None of that. You can get started without any risk for free and get up to 500 subscribers and manage your emails with that. And then once you have more than 500 subscribers, you're probably able to monetize and make money anyway, so you can upgrade to Lite, Plus, or Unlimited. Now the pricing is dependent on the number of subscribers you have, so as you go higher the price increases, and you can also switch between monthly and annual billing. If you decide to bill annually, then you can see that it's actually cheaper. So if you do want to try Aweber completely for free, you can use the link in the description and create a free account. So how exactly is Aweber better than Brevo? Well, Aweber's superior customer service, which I mentioned earlier, as well as its user-friendly interface, make it a really good choice for people that are just starting out with email marketing. Now let's talk about number 4, which is ActiveCampaign. Now ActiveCampaign excels in providing sophisticated email marketing and automation capabilities and has integrated CRM tools that can really help you manage your customer relationships really effectively as well. So they've got sales CRM, they've got all these other features here as well. So what are some of the pros and cons of ActiveCampaign? Well, ActiveCampaign is known for its advanced automation features, but at the same time, because if you're just starting out, they have so many features here, it can be a little bit overwhelming for beginners. But what about their ratings? So if we look at Trustpilot, we can see that ActiveCampaign has a 3.6 out of 847 reviews and is a verified company. Their pricing is, you can see right here, they've got a bunch of different bundles here that you can choose from. You can go with their marketing plans, their sales plans, bundles, or their transactional email as well. So the pricing for email marketing and automation starts at $66 a month, and it scales up with the number of subscribers you have. You can also go with the professional, which is their most popular, and that actually gives you everything in the previous option, plus a bunch of other things like split automations. You can integrate Salesforce. It can help you with conversions and just all around more features. So you can actually customize this and you can choose the number of contacts that you need it for. Now, a key advantage that ActiveCampaign has over Brevo is that ActiveCampaign's deep CRM integration and powerful automation makes it really good for businesses that are looking to align their marketing and sales efforts. Now let's talk about the next option that you can try, the next software for your marketing needs, which is number 3, Moosend. Now, Moosend is a really cost-effective email marketing platform that offers robust automation features, and that makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes. So it's really known for its simplicity and the ability to create detailed marketing campaigns, even if you don't have a ton of technical expertise. So what are some of the pros and cons of Moosend? Well, Moosend is praised for its affordability and intuitive design, but it does lack some of the deeper integration capabilities that you can find on ActiveCampaign, for example. Now, if we look at Moosend's reviews, you can see that they have 50 reviews with an average of 2.5, and it is a verified company. But how much do they actually charge? So if we look at their pricing plans, they have a 30-day free trial that you can try out all of their features, and after that you can upgrade to, they have just a pro plan essentially. The enterprise is a more custom plan that you have to get in contact with them for, but most people would just use the pro plan, and the pricing is dependent on the number of subscribers, starting from $9 a month. If you go with annual billing, then it comes down to $7 a month, and you get unlimited emails, automation workflows, landing pages, transactional emails, SMTP servers, but no account manager, which you actually get on the enterprise plan. So if you do want to try out Moosend for free for 30 days, you can actually use the link in the description. So how exactly is Moosend better than Brevo? Well, Moosend offers a excellent balance of functionality and ease of use, and because they have a great 30-day free trial where you can try out everything, that just makes it even better and risk-free. Now let's talk about the next option, which is number 2, GetResponse. Now GetResponse is a versatile digital marketing platform that extends well beyond email marketing. So they're including features like webinar hosting, landing pages, automated conversion funnels, and a bunch of other stuff. So the pros and cons of GetResponse is that, the pro is that it's known for its all-in-one capabilities. So you can just simplify your technology stack and just have one software, which is GetResponse. It can save you a lot of money. And the only problem with this is that it can be a bit expensive compared to some competitors, so that is a con. But I'll talk about pricing in just a minute. Let's take a look at the reviews of GetResponse, which are actually pretty decent. They have 561 reviews with an average of 2.9, and it's a verified company. But the pricing is where it's interesting here. They actually offer monthly plans, yearly plan, as well as bi-yearly plans. You can pay for 2 years at a time and save 30%. Once again, the pricing is based on a number of contacts, starting from 1,000 contacts, and you can go all the way from $19 a month to about $1,100 a month, where you get literally everything. So you can actually get started with GetResponse completely for free, and there is no credit card required, which means, for 30 days you can try it out and see if you actually like it without having to risk anything. So you can use the link in the description if you want to try it out. The key advantage of GetResponse over Brevo is that they offer integrated webinar hosting and advanced automation tools that will allow you to conduct more comprehensive campaigns, all with just one platform. So that's something that you won't get with Brevo. Now let's talk about my number one choice for email marketing and just online marketing in general, which is number 1, System.io. Now System.io is a relatively new player that quickly made a name for itself as an all-in-one platform designed to provide everything that you would actually need to start and scale an online business. So what are some of the pros and cons of System.io? Well, System.io is really known for being simple and really affordable as well, because they give you tons of tools from email marketing to course creation, as well as affiliate marketing tools as well. So you can do all sorts of stuff here. You can sell stuff, you can manage your contacts, you can create automations. But let's take a look at their Trustpilot reviews, which are actually quite impressive. System.io has over 4,000 reviews with an average of 4.9, which is almost unheard of. This is by far the highest rating I've ever seen for a platform with this many reviews. So if you just look at the reviews a day ago, right, just a couple weeks ago, 5 days ago, people really like System.io, and it has a massive number of reviews, and almost all of them are 5 stars. But what about System.io's pricing? I think it's probably pretty good, right, considering how good the reviews are. So let's take a look at their pricing. Look at that. System.io actually offers a free plan that is permanently free, which doesn't get you just 100 or 200 contacts. You can have 2,000 contacts. You can send an unlimited number of emails. You can build 3 sales funnels. You can have a blog. You can have a course. You can have a community. You can have automation workflows and tags and so much other stuff here. It's absolutely insane. Plus, you can integrate it with other technologies like deadline funnels, Stripe, PayPal, almost like everything that you could possibly need for payments and management. System.io actually gets you all of that in their completely free plan, and it's permanently free. So that's absolutely amazing. Then you can also upgrade to the starter, webinar, or unlimited, where unlimited is still only $97 a month and you get literally everything unlimited. Look how much cheaper that is compared to Brevo, which you'd have to go to the enterprise plan to get unlimited everything, or you look at Aweber, which is still way more expensive. It goes up to $900 a month, literally 9 times the price, or Active Campaign, which would charge you well over $200 a month, probably over $350 a month as well. If we look at Active Campaign, if you wanted to have more than 50,000 contacts, I mean, they'd have to customize a plan for you. It's going to be so expensive, right? At 50,000, they would charge you 1,000, almost $1,100 a month, which is like 11 times what they would charge here on System.io. So as far as pricing goes, you just cannot beat System.io. And if you buy it annually, you save 30%. So it's even cheaper than that. So what is the key advantage of System.io over Brevo? Well, System.io is all inclusive. It gives you literally everything you need on the entire platform, and it's so ridiculously cheap. Like, you can get started for free, have 2,000 contacts, send them emails, make a bunch of money, and then if you're making like, a few $100 a month, then you can upgrade to the startup, and then you can max out your contacts to 5,000, and then you can upgrade again once you max it out to 10,000, and then after that, once you're past the 10,000 mark, you can upgrade to unlimited, and you never have to pay any more again. Whether you have 100,000 people on your list or 100 million, you pay the same amount. I'm absolutely in love with System.io, and this is what I've been using for my own business for over a year, and so I could not recommend it enough, and I guess other people would agree based on the ratings. So every single tool that I've mentioned so far has its strengths and weaknesses, and they all offer a free trial or some sort of like inexpensive plan that you can use to get started, especially System.io, which is completely free, and you can just, you don't have to enter your credit card information. You can just try it out for as long as you want. So I've included the links to all these platforms in the description below, and you can check them out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.